Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Heat Blast from Ben 10. If you must know, Heat Blast is like the first alien that Ben ever transformed into, which was kind of a big deal actually. I kind of like Heat Blast. Truth was, he evolved into Swamp Fire in Ben 10 Alien Force. Makes me wonder if those guys, if Swamp Fire had an ultimate form, what if Heat Blast had an ultimate form? Anyways, his species is Pyronite, and he has a tendency to set things on fire, which is kind of an awesome thing, actually. Anyways, when you start drawing him, you must start with the head, and next thing you gotta do is that you gotta start the flames, the fire on his head. There you go. There's his flaming head. Next up, here's his body. Okay. Next up, you just gotta draw the omniverse symbol on his chest. There we go. Hold on a second, folks. Can't get distracted. Okay, so next thing, you just gotta draw these parts down here. Okay, well, it's done. Good thing we got the legs done. Finally, we just gotta draw his last arm. There we go. And that is how you draw a heat blast. Pretty simple, don't you think? Just kidding. This is actually kind of hard. But I consider this one as a boss creation. As in battle until you complete it. But it was definitely worth it. I finally got this thing done. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. Till then, I'll see you later. Bye.